What's going on, Subway surfers? We're back on the surface today, taking a look around the future Finch West Maintenance and Storage Facility. Located in North York near the intersection of Finch Avenue West and North Finch Drive, this facility will be the base of operations for the Finch West LRT. We visited the site this past week to check in on the construction and get an understanding of the scope of this project. I'm Zach with Vanish Underground, and let's take a look. The Finch West Maintenance and Storage Facility is located roughly 16 kilometers northwest of downtown Toronto. On the north side of Finch Avenue, between Yorkgate Boulevard and North Finch Drive, this will be the second light rail storage facility in the city, after the Mount Dennis facility on the Eglinton Crosstown. The 10,000 square meters facility will contain storage for 26 light rail vehicles, which will run on the Finch West LRT between Humber College and Finch West Station. Outdoor tracks and overhead catenary wires are in the process of being installed on the north side of the property, which will be surrounded by a noise barrier on 3 sides. The building includes a train wash facility, storage building, administration office, and a general area for vehicle repairs. Outside, a 122-space parking lot will be constructed, as well as LRT tracks linking out onto Yorkgate Boulevard on the east side of the site. The buildings will also be designed to meet a LEED Silver certification standard, with a green roof and stormwater management pond on site. An electrical substation will also be located at the west end, providing overhead power to the route. Once open in 2023, the Finch West LRT will provide 11 kilometers of light rail across the northwest corner of Toronto. Running from Finch West Station in the east to Humber College in the west, the line will run every 5 minutes in peak and every 7 to 10 minutes at other times of the day. The route contains 18 stops, only 2 of which will be below grade. Between the Jane and Finch and North Finch Oakdale stops, a turnoff track from Finch Avenue West will travel north onto Yorkgate Boulevard. This will provide access into the maintenance and storage facility for trains entering and leaving service, with special transit signals at the intersection controlling these movements. The facility itself is set back from Finch, allowing for future community development along the corridor. A community hub and center for the arts has been proposed to be located on this property, which would begin construction after the completion of the LRT in 2023. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the future Finch West Maintenance and Storage Facility. With construction progressing well, we look forward to the LRT being opened in 2023. Feel free to leave a like and a comment if you want to see more. And as for us here, we'll be Vanishing Underground until the next one.